Los Angeles. Home of beaches, Hollywood, and palm tree-studded streets. And in the center of it all, along iconic Temple and Figueroa, resides Da Vinci. Step inside to experience a hidden LA. Life simplified. Post up on our regulation-size indoor basketball court. Our resident services office is here to assist you with any of resident needs. Your private concierge. Rooms that appeal to your every need, with professional designed entertaining spaces to fully equipped stainless steel kitchens built for our inner chef. To furnished bedrooms and spacious bathrooms. Come relax with a classic in our private theater. Or handle any business needs in our modern conference rooms. Immerse yourself in our cozy library and study room. Or lose yourself in our state-of-the-art fitness center and dance studio. Relax by our shimmering turquoise pool. De-stress in a soothing jacuzzi. Or show off at our outdoor barbecues. Enjoy panoramic views of breathtaking downtown Los Angeles. Or escape into our lush courtyards. Cross our famous skywalk. To explore all the relaxation available options to you. Like practicing your putt. There's something for everyone. Fun, upscale, comfortable, exciting, world-class apartment homes unlike any other. Come visit. Your new home awaits.